good morning. Welcome to G3 Astro, and in today's video, let us look at the 8th house negativities. The first house represents the body or the sharira in a chart. When the Dasha of the planets in the 8th house or the Lord of the 8th house operate, the negativity is felt to the body or the sharira in form of diseases. If the lagna or the lagna lord and the 12th house or lord is involved, the negativity is considered to be fatal unless there is a benefic aspect of Jupiter or Venus. If the Bukthi is involved with the 8th house and not the Dasha, then only during the Bukthi period, the native will have negativity of the body in form of disease, and when the Bukthi ends, the native will find relief from the diseases. If during this period the benefic aspect of Jupiter or Venus on the lagna or Bhuktinatha, the native will get relief from disease. As far as the ascendant or the lagna, which represents the body, is concerned, the planet in the 8th house and the lords of the 8th house are the most malefic unless the 8th lord also owns a Trikona house, which is Aries and Libra. The 8th house with respect to the 7th house, the 8th house is the second house to the 7th house, which is a Marakasthana, along with the other Karatattvas. Both the death of the partner is from the 8th house, along with the 6th house, which is the 12th house to the 7th house. Refer the Bhavat-Bhava system. In the ancient days, even as late as 1930s, the 8th house was understood to be the most important bhava in a female chart, as it represented the longevity of the husband and was called the Mangalya Sthana. In the present day, the 8th house is to be considered for the longevity of the marriage and should be applied to both male and female chart. We have to take into consideration the 6th house from the ascendant, which is the 12th from the 7th, along with the 8th house, the Marakasthana, for the negativity in marriage, either by death of the partner or divorce in the marriage. The 8th house with respect to the 9th house, the 8th house is the 12th house to the 9th house. The 9th house deals with the father, society, fame, name, and foreign travel. The 8th house acts as a deterrent here to the positivities of the 9th house. The death of the father is from the 8th house along with the 10th house, second from the 9th house, during the Dasha Bukthi of the 8th house with that of the 10th house may give you loss of father. Same combination may give foreign travel, thus creating a separation from the motherland, which is a loss to the motherland. I hope this video was useful to you. Do like, share, and follow me at Gayatri Srinivas. Have a good day. Be safe. Bye-bye.